Well, you know, despite the Hispanic community in Corpus Christi continuing to grow, patients say there are still few doctors here in our area that speak Spanish.
Yeah, several hospitals here report a recent increase in bilingual hires, something that patients say is a relief, as they'll finally be able to be seen by people who look and sound like them. Our Lydia Herrera explains.
No lo habla y es súper difícil. Siempre tenemos que andar buscando a alguien, pero quiero que le expliquen a él las cosas, no nada más a mí, porque él es el enfermo, ¿verdad?
Patty Rodriguez is one of many Hispanic people who has a hard time at the doctor's office with her husband. She is bilingual, but her husband is not. And although she can translate, it's never exactly the same way the doctor would explain to their patients. According to a 2022 U.S. Census Bureau report, Hispanic people make up 19% of the total U.S. population. Nearly 70%, which is 42 million people, speak Spanish at home. But there are only 6% of physicians that speak Spanish, and just 2% of non-Hispanic physicians are Spanish-speaking. In 2010, General Surgeon Jorge Uribe moved from Venezuela to the United States to continue his medical education. Uribe says one of the reasons he moved to the Coastal Bend is to serve the growing Hispanic community that are facing a language barrier when it comes to medical needs.
I think there's a big need in our Hispanic community to provide them adequate access to care, that they can feel comfortable with the same language, same cultures multiple times.
Juan Ramirez is the third generation of doctors in his family. He has been serving the Corpus Christi community since 2017 and says he's seen an increase in bilingual doctors in the area. But there is still a need for more.
I've been noticing that every year I have one or two providers that are bilingual, and that helps a lot to improve the patient-doctor relationship.
As more and more Hispanic people move into the area, several like Rodriguez are hopeful that more bilingual doctors will follow.
Es súper importante. Corpus Christi ya está creciendo mucho y la verdad no tenemos la ayuda que necesitamos. Ojalá y nos llegue esa ayuda porque ya la mayoría de nosotros somos hispanos y la necesitamos urgentemente esa ayuda.
Lydia Herrera, 3 News.